We have another example. Again, before you are going to do any simplification, please look carefully at your Boolean expression first. Please notice that this time C represents my most significant bit. So I have to make sure that C variable is going to be on the side of my K-map, and BA will be at the top. I'm going to have C. Remember, anytime we are dealing with POS, we have to put the bar over the variable which is next to 1 or over 1. And I have BA not, because A is over 1, and I have BA also with notes, and I have B not A. You have to keep the order. C, B, A. C, B, A. B, A, B, A, B, A. This is very important. Okay, so let's find the zeros. We have C, B, A. C, B, A. First zero, we have C, B, not A. C, B, not A. We have another zero. We have C, not B, A. C, not B, A. This is the zero. And I have C, not B, not A. This is this cell. Also, we have don't cares in this problem. We have C not, B, A not, C not, B, A not. This is my first don't care. And I have C not, B not, A not, C not, B not, A not. This is my second don't care. Keep in mind that we will use don't cares only when we will need them. If they are useless, we just leave them alone. So in this case, we can create the group of 4 zeros by folding them up. Just remember, if you have map, you can fold, and if you are going to fold it, you will see that these two cells are going to be next to these two, okay? So that's why these 4 zeros are going to create one group. This group is placed in 2 rows and 2 columns. On the side of these 2 rows, you have complements. You have C and C naught. We ignore complements. At the top of these 2 columns, you have common variable A. That's why the answer to my problem is going to be simply A. If you want to implement it, this is nothing else, just the point on the diagram. These are the solutions to my problem.